Controlling is another module in SAP. In R3 we used to call controlling module. From ECC they rename it to management accounting. So in management accounting or in controlling module we have different of sub modules like overhead management, profit center accounting, cost center accounting, product costing, profitability analysis, and internal order management. If you are using project systems, then that is also part of this integration, because if you are using project system, then we don't have to use internal order management, because project system has a more flexibility than the internal order. So now you can see in R3 you have the CO as a controlling module, and in ECC they name it to management accounting. So in controlling we will see what we spent on, where we spent the money, and from where we are getting that money. That type of information we will be capturing in the controlling. And controlling is mainly within the organization. We have more flexibility in changing the configurations or the figures, whereas in finance that is more mainly for external entities, external purpose. So controlling is only for the organization. So in controlling there are different objects. One is cost element objects. Cost element, there are two types of cost elements: primary cost elements and secondary cost elements. Then cost center accounting, internal order, profit center accounting. Then you have the product costing and profitability analysis. Okay,